In the tapestry of existence, stress often emerges as a dissonant chord, disrupting the harmonious melody of our lives. In this symphony of challenges and aspirations, mindfulness meditation stands as a conductor, orchestrating a tranquil symphony that soothes the cacophony of stress. Picture the mind as a vast landscape, adorned with rolling hills and turbulent valleys. In the rush of modern life, we often find ourselves swept away by the currents of worry, regret, and uncertainty, cascading down the precipices of anxiety. Mindfulness meditation, with its gentle guidance, empowers us to ascend these mental peaks and navigate these emotional valleys with grace. At its essence, mindfulness meditation is an art of being fully present, of cultivating a deep and non-judgmental awareness of the present moment. It calls us to embrace the symphony of sensations, thoughts, and emotions as they unfold, without trying to alter or suppress them. This process of conscious observation and acceptance creates a space, a sanctuary, where stress loses its stronghold. As we traverse the terrain of mindfulness, we become attuned to the rhythm of our breath, the cadence of our thoughts, and the nuances of bodily sensations. In this awareness, stress loses its monolithic stature. It morphs into an ephemeral guest rather than an unwelcome host. By acknowledging stress without resistance, we untangle its knots, dissolving the tension that weaves through our being. Mindfulness meditation encourages us to embrace self-compassion, a wellspring of understanding and empathy for ourselves. Just as a gentle rain quenches the thirst of the earth, self-compassion nurtures our parched souls, allowing stress to wither in its gentle embrace. Through mindfulness, we come to recognize that stress, too, is a fragment of our human experience, and we need not chastise ourselves for its presence. In this mindful communion with the present, the mind attains a state of clarity akin to a calm pond reflecting the tranquility of the surrounding landscape. Stress, once a tempestuous tempest, now ripples away, leaving behind a surface of serenity. Mindfulness meditation empowers us to remain anchored in this serene expanse, regardless of the storms that may pass through our lives. In the grand theater of existence, mindfulness meditation emerges as both playwright and protagonist, rewriting the script of our relationship with stress. It invites us to step into the role of the mindful observer, witnessing the unfolding scenes of our lives without being ensnared by their emotional turbulence. Through this practice, we reclaim the conductor's baton, orchestrating a symphony of peace that reverberates through our being, gently easing the strains of stress and nurturing a harmonious resonance with the world around us.